Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And, of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang energy update for you September 16 to 30, 2023. This is a general reading sa maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see Taurus, what is up? September 16 to 30 for Taurus. You have Descendant, Invitation. Ninth house, Exploration, and Confrontation, Opposition. So, some of you are going to deal with your romantic partners or connections, no? Partnerships. Yung iba pwedeng partnership sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng business partnership with other people sa ibang bansa or romantic connection. Kaya lang possible na magkaroon ng challenge dito, pwedeng alam mo yun, hindi magkakaintindihan, pwedeng may miscommunication, misunderstanding. So ano tong invitation na to sa Taurus? You have Gemini, Jupiter in the first house. Communication issues to. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kang ipaglalaban, tapos yung the other person meron din. Pwedeng mauwi sa argument. Okay? So, I think Mercury is still in retrograde right now. So, be very careful na lang sa mga bibitawan yung salita kasi baka hindi nyo naman talaga mini-mean. Okay? Baka mag-create lang ng tension with someone. So, mas maganda pa rin na mag-usap ng maayos. Some of you also may opportunity na makapag-travel abroad or meron kayong pag-aaralan na bagong knowledge na kung saan mas mapapalawak ang inyong kaalaman sa maraming bagay. Let's see what else for Taurus. You have the Knight of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. Be careful with your spending, Taurus. Iwasan yung overspending because you might regret buying something, no? Especially that Mercury is still in retrograde. Minsan kasi parang bugso ng damdamin natin na, gusto kong bilhin to or gusto kong pagkagastosan to. And eventually, hindi mo pala yun talaga gusto. So, that's taking too much risk. Kaya, pag-isipan mo na bago ka gumawa ng action. Kumbaga dahan-dahan lang. Take it slow. Isihan mo lang, kumbaga. Halimbawa, may bala ka na magnegosyo or mag-business partner or kumuha ng business partner. So, you have to make sure na itong kukunin mong business partner is mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Especially sa pera. So, don't forget rin yung mga paperworks, mga agreement, may kontrata dapat. Okay, so let's see ano pa. What else do we have for Taurus? September 16 to 30. Destination. Challenge. So, yung iba, meron kayong ipupursue na pwedeng travel or may aasikasuhin kayo and maaring parang hindi siya kasing smooth ng inaasahan mo. So, halimbawa, nag-aasikaso ka ng mga papeles, pwedeng mga requirements, akala mo mabilis lang yung proseso. So, pwedeng maging challenging to sa'yo. Yung iba rito, I'm seeing nag-aasikaso ng passport with your family to travel. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng konting aberya lang naman. So, just make sure na lahat ng requirements na prepare mo na para pagdating ng proseso na yan, maging mabilis lang sa inyo. You might be, yung iba travel to sa nature. Pwedeng you will also try a new hobby, bagong libangan, na kung saan pwedeng very exciting, adventurous. Okay, meron ditong betrayal. So, warning, be careful, okay? Sa mga makaka-deal ninyo anytime soon. So, you have to make sure na you are also protecting yourself and meron kang backup plan. Strategic ka rin sa mga papasukin mo. Especially when it comes to money. Okay? Kasi pwedeng meron dito na mag-take advantage of your kindness. Okay? Let's see. Ano pa? Taurus. Okay, you have law and order. Meron ka talagang ipaprocess na documents na kailangan mo para sa business mo or sa trabaho mo. This is beneficial if you handle legal matters well. Yung iba naman, pwedeng ang career nyo is related to law or sa government. Volunteer. Sharing is caring. So, some of you are also going to help others in any way you can. Pwedeng mag-volunteer ka sa mga charitable work or mag-donate ka, no, ng anything. Can be money, food, to help others. Pwedeng ikaw lang to or kasama mo yung mga katrabaho mo. Yung mga may outreach program. You have the Ace of Swords, the Five of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. So, pagdating sa career or sa finances, sa money ninyo, may nakikita ko rito medyo parang ano yun, medyo may, hindi ko masabi. Ah, may blockage, no? Or parang may mabagal, may frustrating na energy for you when it comes to money. So, pwedeng meron kang hinihintay na pera. So, this may be frustrating sa'yo kasi hindi mo pa agad makukuha. Or, yung inaasahan mong resulta ng pinagpaguran mo is hindi kasing ganda ng naging outcome niya. But with the Ace of Swords, I feel like you are going to learn a lesson from this experience. So, sa iyo namang relationship, we have playfulness and safe zone. So, yung iba sa inyo, non-committal. Okay? If you are single right now, wala pa kayong interest na mag-commit sa relationship. You just want to enjoy the company of the person that you are dealing with. You're having fun. Pwede rin namang reversal ang role nito. Pwedeng the person that you're dealing with right now, non-committal, hindi pa siya ready. Gusto lang niya ma-enjoy yung company mo. Ace of Pentacles, lalo na sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa relationship. I think kasi someone here is showing interest na already. Na parang nahuhulog na siya, nahuhumaling na siya. But the other person is still holding back. So, pwedeng meron pa tong trauma from the past na pinipigilan niya or hindi niya dinideal. Kaya, hindi siya makapag-all-in sa relationship na to. So, be careful na lang sa, sa pagbuhos mo ng feelings for this person. Kasi baka hindi mo makuha yung ine-expect mo na love from this person. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.